Jocelyn from LA Plans, and today I will be sharing my most recent cloth and paper haul, as well as unboxing the first ever Teresa creative box. So I'm really excited to share both of these with y'all. So first up, I'll share the cloth and paper order. And so in this order, I just ordered new drops. So I've never really been a fan of drop stickers, and as you all know, a lot of people have started using these, and I've seen these used in different ways that I haven't seen before. So I'm really excited to try these out. These four are by far my favorite colors in all stickers, so I'm really excited to use these. These are all transparent drops, and each one comes with 2 sheets, and I just absolutely love these and so excited to try these out. But this is everything that came in my order for cloth and paper. I just wanted to share these with you guys because I am excited to use these to highlight times in my schedule, highlight important notes, and then use this to also list items. So this is everything that I ordered. And then for the Teresa creative box, I'm really excited for this. This is her first ever box. It was only $25. And you can subscribe month to month, and so I'm really excited to see what her boxes are going to look like. So this first one is in a very small but long box, so I'm really excited to see what she has in here. So let's open this up. And then the first thing that I noticed is this really cute keychain. So you have a gold keychain with your initial, and it's a tortoise pattern. I absolutely love this. I think I've seen something similar in Hobby Lobby, and I really love it. So this is the first item in the box. And then next is this really cute planner card. So it is a stack of designer bags, and then her handle on the back. Okay, and then next, let's open this cute little bag up. Oh, you don't need to cut it. It would have opened. Oh, well, I didn't see that. It's fine. So the bag, again, has an L sticker on it. And then you get, I think these are all stickers. So these are all of the stickers that are in here. These are really cute. I absolutely love seeing her stickers in a physical form. She has all of these in digital form if you want to purchase these, but it's really nice seeing these. So I'm really excited to use these in my planner. I'm probably going to be destashing a couple of these, but in general, I really love these. So let's put all of these up and look to see what else is in the box. So you get this cute little art print of glasses, and then you also get an August calendar, which I think is really cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I really like this. I might keep this on my clipboard actually, now that I'm looking at it. It just has a lot of different stickers up top. I just think these are really pretty. It's on this really nice cardstock. So that is everything that came in here, and then here's everything that it comes with. And again, I'm gonna subscribe again. I absolutely love this box. It has so many cute items and different items. I'm really excited to try out these stickers. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put them, but I'm really excited for this. Other than that, that is everything that I wanted to share with y'all in this video. I've been slowing down on the purchases because I think I finally got a good stock of everything. But I will continue to do boxes like these, as well as the cloth and paper subscription box and so on. So other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.